Alright, y'all, this part 2 of the wolf spider being underwater. Check that out. I mean, when I tell you there is no part of him above water, he's completely submerged. I'm gonna bring him up so y'all can see just how big he is. I mean, it's not the biggest, but he's a nice size. Like, this is a nice size spider, y'all. You would freak out if you seen this thing on you. I mean, I think that's a wolf spider. Could this be those big ass spiders that y'all see around like bodies of water and shit? It looks pretty wolfish. I mean, down there just camped out, dude. How sick is that? I'm sorry. I keep looking at it with my eyes instead of through the lens. Comment if y'all knew that these spiders could hang out underwater like this. And make sure y'all subscribe. Blackout back, baby. We right out back. We out back of your shit right now. I want her to come out, but I don't, you know what I mean? But let's make him come up. And then he's just playing dead. Look at him. He's legit playing dead. He's above water now. Dude, I know you're alive already, bro. It's too late. The gig is up, man. The gig, he's about to strike out. There he is. There he is, y'all. Nice size spider, too. That's sick.